Hi everyone, in today's Canva tutorial we're going to take a look at how we can change the colour of text within a design or document. For this example I'm just using a calendar that is within Canva's design templates, and here we can see we've got multiple elements that we can change. So we're going to use the word January, so we're going to select that. As we can see now, it's brought up a toolbar giving us a lot of options, and here we can see the letter A with the colour swatch, and if you highlight it, it says text colour. We're going to select that, and now we've got multiple options. First up, we can select a colour or a hex code if we know it. The next one is we can use some of the document colours. So the colours that are already in the document are here. We can also select a new colour. By clicking on there, we can slide the marker across the bar at the bottom, and we can see we've got multiple options for colours, and if there's a colour that you particularly want, then we've got another option here to move the little marker, and we can change that to be a lighter or darker shade of our chosen colour. Again, we can also enter a hex code if we know one, and as we can see, it's changing the colour of the text as we do that. If you are using Canva Pro and you have entered your brand colours into your brand kit, you can now choose one of those colours to change the colour of your text. Also, Canva is giving us a set of default colours that we can simply choose from if some of those take your fancy as well. The other option we have is once we've selected a colour, we can now see here at the bottom it says change all. So any other text in this document that is the same colour as January originally was will now change to purple. So we can click on change all, and as we can see now, multiple elements of the text in our design have changed to be the same purple colour. It hasn't changed the text colour for Saturday and Sunday because they are a different colour, and those are a few easy ways that you can change the colour of your text in a design inside Canva. Thank you for watching. See you again soon.